all of you are well at home. Today we will learn the topic relationship between plants and animals, which is under class 5 subject EVS chapter 30 food for plants and animals. All organisms are linked to each other by what they eat. So you understand it carefully. All organisms are linked to each other by what they eat. A series of organisms linked together in an order in which they feed on each other is called food chain. I repeat again. A series of organisms linked together in an order in which they feed on each other is called food chain. In other words, a food chain is a chain of organisms in which each organism is the food for the next organism. So, I repeat again, in other words, a food chain is a chain of organisms in which each organism is the food for the next organism. A food chain starts with green plants. A food chain starts with green plants because the green plants are the producers. The green plants are the producers. So a food chain starts with green plants because green plants are the producers. Herbivores are the first consumers. Herbivores are the first consumers and carnivores are the second consumers. So first a food chain starts with the green plant, which they are the producers because they can prepare their own food. Green plants can prepare their own food. Green plants are followed by the herbivores. Herbivores are the first consumers that consumes on the green plant, that eat the green plants. Next, the herbivores are followed by the carnivores. Carnivores are the secondary consumers. Carnivores feed on the carnivores eat the herbivores. So it is linked like this: producers, primary consumers, and then secondary consumers in a food chain. Next, I will give you some examples, students. A food chain on land. I have written here an example of a food chain on land. So you can see here grass. Grass are the producer. Grass is the producer. Next, grasshopper, frog, snake, eagle. Now what does this chain signifies? This chain tells that the grass are the producers. They can prepare their own food and grow by themselves. Next, grass is eaten by grasshopper. Next, grasshopper is eaten by frog. Next, frog is eaten by snake. And next, snake is eaten by eagle. So this chain continues like this. Now grass is the producer and grasshopper, frog, snake and eagle are the consumers. So grass is the producer and these are the consumers. Next, student, I will give another example. A food chain in a pond. A food chain in a pond. A food chain in a pond starts with the algae. Algae are the producers. Food chain in a pond starts with algae. Algae are the producers. They can prepare their own food. Next, algae is eaten by snakes. So here algae are the producers and snail, fish, crane are the consumers. Next students, we will learn about food web. What is a food web? A food web is formed by interlinking of several food chains. A food web is formed by interlinking of several food chains together. Now students, I will show you the diagram of the food web. You observe the diagram carefully and listen to my explanation. This diagram shows a typical food web. Food web are formed by the interlinking of many food chains. Food chains do not exist independently. In nature, organism of a particular food chain can be eaten by organism of another food chain. It means a particular organism is not eaten by only one organism. For example, green plants are eaten by many plant eaters. Plant eaters in turn are eaten by many animal eaters. As you can see in the diagram, it is shown by arrows. Animal eaters are themselves eaten by other animal eaters. Thus, many food chains are interlinked. This forms a food web. Food chains and food webs helps in maintaining a balance in nature. Even if one of the members of the food chain increases or decreases drastically in number, the whole food chain is affected adversely. So students, this is all about today's topic, that is relationship between plants and animals. Today we have learned about food chains and food web. I hope students you have understood today's topic properly. So we will again meet in our next video. Till then, take care of yourself, study properly at home and keep watching the videos. Thank you.